Welcome to the Project Administration course. Products within the Autodesk Construction Cloud share a common administration experience, which is split into two tiers: Account Administration and Project Administration. Project Administration, which this course focuses on, is used to manage project members and project-level settings. As a best practice, multiple project administrators should be added to spread the responsibility of managing projects, members, and permissions. Project administrator responsibilities include adding members to a project, assigning a member's specific product access and their permission level for tools within those products, managing product and project settings, and more. Follow this project administration course to learn how to gain access to projects, manage project members and their product access, edit project information, set up locations for projects, create new projects, and manage team members and settings within those specific projects.